Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Smartsheet OAuth for Workspace access, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Smartsheet website. Log in to your Smartsheet account. Once logged in, click on the account icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Integrations. In the Integrations section, find and click on OAuth. Look for the option to create a new OAuth token. Click on the Create Token button. You will be prompted to enter a name for your token. Choose a descriptive name that identifies its purpose, such as Workspace Access Token. Next, select the permissions you wish to grant. Ensure to include access to the necessary workspaces. After selecting the appropriate permissions, click on the Generate Token button. Your new OAuth token will be displayed on the screen. Copy this token and store it securely. Do not share this token, as it provides access to your Smartsheet workspace. Now, navigate to the application or service that requires Smartsheet access. Locate the OAuth authorization section within this application. Paste your copied token into the designated field. Proceed to authorize the application. You will receive a confirmation message indicating success. Your application now has authorized access to your Smartsheet workspace. Double-check that all permissions are functioning as intended. If you encounter any issues, revisit the authorization settings in Smartsheet. You are now ready to use your application with Smartsheet seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.